coming in peace.
Thank you.
So who you introduce yourself briefly?
So, my name is Ayona Ningsi. I graduate with a Diploma 3 in Nursing from Madura State Polytechnic. I have 2 years of clinical experience working a nurse in inpatient ward, where I cared for adult and post-operative patients.
What motivation you apply for this position?
I admire this hospital reputation for quality care in patient cancer service. I believe it is the risk pledge to grow and give my best a nurse. In my previous hospital, there was a sudden influx of emergency patients after accident. I was responsible for monitoring their patient outcomes. I started from prioritize critical cases coordinated with my team and keep clear communication with the doctor. Our patient will stability and my supervisor process my teamwork and quick responsive.
That impression, how do you handle stress and work?
I start organize, communicate with my team and focus on patient safety. Studying can help me stay productive even under pressure.
With all the following tips of qualification do you have?
I have a bachelor degree in nursing, a valid nurse registration certificate, and BLS and ACLS certificates.
How many years experience do you have as an implementation nurse?
I have around 2 years of experience, mainly focusing on patient education, care, condition, and data monitoring.
Do you have any question for us?
Yes, I'd like to know more about the training on development opportunities for nursing in this hospital.
That's a good question. We regularly provide work and create the development program for your staff.
Thank you, ma'am. I really appreciate this opportunity.
Thank you for your coming. We'll contact for you. Good morning, ma'am. My appointment.
Please, I come in and have a seat.
Thank you.
Please introduce yourself and tell us about your educational background.
Certainly, my name is Jennifer Khaled. I graduated with diploma in nursing for Polytechnic. I have clinical practice experience in the ICU and equipment to caring for seriously ill patients and the supervision of senior nursing and patient care.
What made you interested in working in the ICU?
My interest in working in the ICU because in regulation in the responsible and strong teamwork and work to part develop my clinical skill, especially in close monitoring of clinical patient and delivery care.
In your opinion, what
ICU most how strong observation skills, clinical thinking, expense communication, and good in answer of how many monitoring respiration, support deference, and patient safety principles.
How do you monitor critical ill patient in the ICU?
Monitoring vitals, oxygen saturation, blood pressure, heart rhythm, and closely monitoring vitals, oxygen saturation, blood pressure, heart rhythm, and flow like and also recommend and property report and housing in the patient coordination calculator.
Please describe a situation where you handle a critical ill patient and how you manage it.
During my ICU clinical perspective was patient student experience and role in oxygen saturation. I was responsible for producing initial card and responding the patient coordination proper. I answer the airway was pattern, oxygen and patient position ascend to the oxygen and ventilator experiment monitoring vitality and immediately repression the pending to the preminers and the picture. Prominent intervention with reading what to patient oxygen saturation, inspirator, and the patient coordinated because stable.
How do you ensure patient safety in the ICU?
Athlete safety finds also as closely patient identities, innovation, provision, through property and hygiene, routine, equipment, check and complete and excellent documentation.
Do you have any question for us?
Yes, I would like to know about the ICU orientation program and special training for nurses.
We provide ICU orientation and ongoing training program.
Thank you very much for the information.
Thank you for attending